Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Patriot oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. After that, simply turn the ignition OFF. This should successfully reset your oil change indicator light, getting you back on the road with peace of mind. Another common method involves a similar key cycle. Begin by inserting your key and turning it to the on position, again without starting the engine. Then, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way down 3 separate times. Finally, turn the key to the OFF position. This sequence often works for many Jeep Patriot models, ensuring your maintenance light is cleared. If the oil light remains on after trying these steps, don't worry. First, double-check that your engine oil and filter were indeed changed recently. Sometimes, a persistent light indicates a deeper issue. It's also wise to check for any diagnostic trouble codes. Always refer to your specific Jeep Patriot owner's manual for model year specific instructions, as details can vary slightly. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for your Jeep Patriot's engine health and longevity. Always use the manufacturer recommended oil type and viscosity to ensure optimal performance. If after all your efforts, the oil light still won't reset or reappears quickly, it's best to seek professional automotive assistance. They can diagnose any underlying issues and ensure your vehicle is safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.